The lead cast of India's first ever action film about an animal lover vigilant Lagat Bagga launched Rabindranath Tagore Purano Sei song in Kolkata.
Kolkata, the city of joy. This film has a lot of Calcutta in it. And right now, today, we are gonna explore and have a conversation with Milind sir, Anshuman sir, and Riddhi ma'am. So, Milind sir, first question coming up to you. How has your experience been with this particular art form, martial arts form, Krav Maga? And how difficult was it training Anshuman? Because Anshuman doesn't seem much of a martial arts enthusiast initially in all of his films.
Yeah, so that's two or three questions. The first question is that Krav Maga is a constantly evolving martial arts, and that's what sets it apart from the other martial arts that we know. And so it's a constant experience of learning, right? But when it comes to Anshuman, of course, he's the best student I've ever had, and he learns very, very fast.
And Anshuman sir, because you have been doing a lot of films with a lot of variety, a lot of masala, different kinds of film. In this particular film, I know it was a very difficult challenge for you as well. In your past interviews, you said learning Krav Maga. Apart from that, sir, सवाल ये है कितनी बार हड्डियाँ टूटी सर?
हड्डियाँ तो नहीं टूटी, लेकिन राइट शोल्डर इम्पिंज हुआ था न्यूयॉर्क में ट्रेनिंग के टाइम, क्योंकि साही शिमेश जो he insults you and trains you and motivates you in that process, and he fights. So he doesn't do rehearsal like safe rehearsal. He gets you guarded with all the padding and then he hits you so that you get physically ready to fight. And that was the only way to do this film, because tab wo asli lagta hai when the action happens. And also as an actor, then you're not thinking about am I looking good, because you're really doing it, right? So the training was to be in a position to actually take down 3-4 people, and I can in reality. I know how to take down 3-4 men at least without any weapons, and that's thanks to Sahi. So right shoulder impingement, which lasted for about 10 months. Eksha Kiring, who's making her debut, she's a police officer in real life from Sikkim, and a supermodel. Unka Bollywood debut hai ye. She got me with her boot on my head once, so that was an injury. I've got a cut here. But वो 3 बजे रात को shot चल रहा था, and it's very difficult for me to stay awake at night. But that was the bigger challenge in this film to do, because it's a vigilante film. To do the action sequences at night was extremely hard. But other than that, no injuries, by God's grace.
Amazing. And now, guys, moving forward to Riddhi ma'am, because we have seen you so much already. The whole nation has seen you so much across so many platforms. And I think this will be the first time we are seeing you as in a film. So ma'am, was it different first of all? Secondly, how was it working with your co-stars?
Hi everyone, I'm sorry for my voice. I've lost my voice, so please don't think that something's wrong. It's just a bad voice right now. The only thing I think was different was that I was on the big screen. I've never seen myself on the big screen. And I think once the film comes out and everyone else watches it, I think I'll have a better sense of how I feel. But as of right now, I'm overjoyed, excited, and quite honestly full of gratitude for, where are you? Oh, you're here. Okay. So as of now, I'm really excited and grateful. I'm not the producer, so I'm not stressed out at all, because I see him next to me on his phone all the time. So it's good. I'm grateful to be a part of this film.
Okay, and as we know, the film revolves around animals. Okay, Milind sir, moving forward to you. Act 2 Bangla kotha hoye jay?
আমি ডিসিশন নিয়ে নিচ্ছি।
Okay.
बहुत सारे many times it happens And I've had pets like rabbits, I've had birds, I've had snakes, I've had of course dogs and cats right from when I was a child. अभी तो मेरे पास एक बिल्ली है, a cat who was also rescued when she was about 2 weeks old. Now she's 9 years old. So of course, I mean, there's one thing that I'd like to say to parents out there. You know, children love animals. A lot of children love animals, and they ask to have pets. But the parents have to ensure that the pets are well taken care of, and that when the child is tired of the pet, they don't just abandon it, because that's a very, very cruel thing to do.
Because right now it's time that we have a look at the trailer of the film Lakkad Bagga. Oh my god guys, that's a super amazing film, really interesting, and for the first time in India I think we have such a film, a mainstream film based on animal love and pet love. I request all these stars, I request all of you to please take your seats. It's a very, very special thing for all of us, especially all the Kolkatans, because Rabindranath Tagore in Kolkata is an emotion. And Rabindranath Tagore's Purono Shei song has been recreated in this film by Belgian maestro Simon Franske. So ladies and gentlemen, we are also going to show you that today at 3:30 the song is going to release. That is why they are here in Kolkata to celebrate the launch of the song.
My love for Bengal and Victor's love. Victor, the director, is from Bengal. So Byumukesh Bakshi is one of my favorite characters ever, which is where Tarun Bakshi came from, which is why we decided to use the surname Bakshi as a homage to that great character.
কেমন আছেন?
খুব ভালো।
কলকাতায় এসে কেমন লাগছে?
I always love coming here यार। It's one of, मैं बच्चा था तो मैं क्रिकेट खेलता था दिल्ली के लिए, तो I used to come a lot here to train, and my sister also got married in Kolkata, Toliganj. So I know the city, I love the city. There is a lot of art here, so I feel connected here because there is culture. क्योंकि मैं देखता था बॉलीवुड में सिर्फ डार्क और इंटेंस और डिंजी फिल्में बनती थी उनके बारे में, तो बहुत ही कॉन्शियस डिसीजन था वो। फिर जानवरों के लिए अगेन समथिंग आई एम वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट, बिकॉज आई थिंक आर्ट शुड कम फ्रॉम इनसाइड यू, और कोलकाता में तो ये सबसे मतलब दिस इज़ द सिटी विच हैज़ सोल, सो इट्स द सिटी ऑफ जॉय। तो या दिस फिल्म वॉज अ नो ब्रेनर फॉर मी। आई एम वेरी, मेरे पास 2 इंडी कुत्ते हैं अडॉप्टेड, जिनको मैंने NGO से अडॉप्ट किया है, एंड इट्स बिकमिंग द वॉइस ऑफ द वॉइसलेस, जो फिल्म का मैसेज है कि जो जीव बोल नहीं पाते उनके लिए लड़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है।
ज़्यादा नहीं करेंगे,
डिस्टर्ब क्यों नहीं करेंगे? हम आए इतनी दूर से, आप डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे तो फिर क्या होगा?
के बारे में हम लोग को मीडिया को कुछ बताना चाहिए।
मूवी बहुत स्पेशल है, यू नो, एनिमल्स के ऊपर है, और एनिमल जो अपनी आवाज़ खुद नहीं उठा सकते उनके ऊपर है, और कोलकाता में ही कुछ इंसिडेंट्स हुए हैं जिसके बारे में आपको भी पता होगा, ट्रेलर देख के भी समझ में आ रहा है, तो उसके ऊपर है। और मुझे बहुत खुशी है एज एन आर्टिस्ट कि मैं, यू नो, मुझे जब उन्होंने, अंशुमन ने बोला कि ये मूवी करने के लिए, तो मैं बहुत खुश हो गई, और आई वॉज मोर देन हैप्पी टू पार्टिसिपेट एंड कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट टू दिस फिल्म। तो एक्शन है मूवी में, और बहुत एंटरटेनिंग तरीके से हमें कहानी बता रहे हैं, और बहुत ओरिजिनल कहानी है। मुझे मूवी पता थी क्या है और सारे सीन्स पता थे, फिर भी जब मैंने देखा मूवी को तो मुझे बहुत इंगेजिंग लगी और बहुत ओरिजिनल लगी। तो आई फील लाइक आप लोगों को भी पसंद आएगी, क्योंकि आजकल लोगों का, यू नो, हमारा माइंड खुल गया है, क्योंकि हम इतना कंटेंट देख रहे हैं कि वी आर ओपन टू डूइंग, यू नो, मोर, एंड वी आर ओपन टू वॉचिंग मोर एंड मोर। सो इट्स वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, एंड आई फील लाइक पसंद आएगा आप लोगों को।
I'm in Kolkata today, of course, for the promotion of the film Lakkad Bagga, which is releasing on the 13th of January. And the reason that I'm doing this film is that I loved the story. I liked the conviction of the producer and the director. Producer, of course, is Anshuman Jha, जो इस फिल्म के lead actor भी हैं, उन्होंने produce किया है। और मेरा character, जो मैं अंशुमन के पिताजी का रोल कर रहा हूँ, तरुण बख्शी। And the interesting thing about, there are many interesting things about the film. एक तो story उसकी बहुत ही unusual है, बहुत ही अलग है। It's a film about a man who protects animals उसके शहर में, and it's also something, I think something interesting is कि ये फिल्म एक बहुत बड़ा collaboration है। बहुत सारे लोग जो दूसरे देशों से हैं उन्होंने भी इस फिल्म में अच्छा काम किया है, such as the music director, the cinematographer, ये बाहर के देशों से आए हैं। एंड इट्स अ वेरी एक्साइटिंग फिल्म. जब आप देखेंगे आपको पता चलेगा. द ट्रेलर इज़ ऑलरेडी आउट. ट्रेलर का बहुत ही अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आया है. सो आई जस्ट लाइक टू टेल एवरीबडी, गो एंड वॉच द फिल्म ऑन द 13th of January and let everybody know how much you liked it.